Good morning, students. How are you all? I feel you are fine. Last class, you have learned about types of sets. Types of sets. Five types you study. Empty set. Empty set means the set inside, not a value. Second one, singleton set. Singleton set means only one element for set. Okay. Third one is finite set. Finite set means only countable numbers. That is only finite set. Fourth one, infinite set. That is uncountable elements. That is only infinite set. For fifth one, cardinal number. How to find out cardinal number? The number of elements in sets A or B. Okay. So number of elements in set, that is only cardinal number. Okay. Today you are going to learn about set operations. Set operations means two or more sets combined together to form one set. Under the given conditions, the operating on sets can be carried out. Two or more sets you combine together only, you form a one set. Okay. First one is complement of set. Complement of a set. A set of A is the set of all elements of U. U means that is universal set that are not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A power C. That is A power complement only denoted this like A power C. In a simple, A dash equal to X such that X belongs to U or X not belongs to A. Okay, X not belongs to A. That is only complement of set. That is how to draw the Venn diagram. That is A, only A segments, only complement of set means only one set. That is A only you denoted. So here one rectangular box in circle, one circle only, that is denoted by A. So A means only you shaded this portions only. But second one, A dash. A dash mean except A, another places, outer area you shaded. Okay, that is only A dash. Okay, for example, U equal to all boys in a class. For U means there is a universal set. In a class, all the students you denoted. But A set denoted boys who play cricket. Only play cricket boys, that members only you denoted for A. Then complement of the set A is A dash. So you also given A given, you find out A dash. A dash means what is the balance members who didn't play, that boys only. So only here given A dash equal to boys who do not play cricket. Do you understand, students? That is only complement of a set. Okay. For example, 1.10. If universal set U equal to C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and A equal to C, D, G, J, find A dash. Sometimes find complement of A, sometimes find A dash. Okay, words also you asking, some symbol also asking. Find complement of A, sometimes find A dash. So A dash means you understood only complement of a set. Okay. For solution, what is given? U equal to C, D, E. What given? That is you write it. Another A set, what is given? That is you write it. You find A dash. A dash means that is a formula universal set minus A set. Universal set minus A set. So A dash equal to, what is the universal set? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J minus A set. What is the A set? C, D, C, G, J. Okay. First you write it this formula method. Next you subtract this. So here C, here also C have you cancel. Here D, here D, here G, G. J, J. But what is the balance value of universal set? That is only answer. Okay. But what is the balance value of universal set? E, F, H, I. That is only A dash. Second, another method. First one is the complement of a set you study. Next, second one, union of two sets. How to find out union of two sets? The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. All the ones A set or B set or both are A and B set. It is denoted by A union B. A union B. And read as how to read this one. A union B. This union only denoted U. Okay, A union B. So union means you combine together. Two sets also you combine. That is. So in a simple A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. The union of two sets can be represented by Venn diagram as given below. How to draw the Venn diagram of union of two sets? Two sets means two circles A and B. So one rectangular box A and B. Here given sets A and B have common elements. Common elements means, for example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6. For example, I say 2. Here both the 1, 2 and 4 also common. Here also 2, B set also 2. A set also 4, B set also 4. So 2 and 4 are common. So only here you give and set A and B have common elements. So A set you write it means how do you write it? 1, 3. Here you write it. Common numbers. Which one is a common? 2, 4. First you write it common values. Next, what is the balance value of A? 1 and 3. What is the balance value of B? Why common values you write it 2, 4. And what is the balance value? 6. This like only. Numbers given means this like you do this. Okay. So, this is only common elements. Next, set A and B are disjoint. Disjoint means A and B are no common values. A intersection B is not of values. No common values. That is only. For example, here A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to A, B, C. Here 1, 2, 3. Here A, B, C. No common values. That is only A and B are disjoint. Okay, for disjoint means both the circle not intersect. Okay, separately you draw this one. That is only set union set. Next, for example 1.11. If P equal to M, N and Q equal to Mij, then represent P and Q in Venn diagram and hence find P union Q. P union Q. This symbol is union. So what is given? P equal to M, N and Q equal to Mij. From the Venn diagram, here Venn diagram also you given. So M is both the one common. P set also have, Q set also have. So common place. But what is the balance value of P? N. What is the balance value of Q? I and J. Okay. So from the Venn diagram, P union Q. Union means I say combine and join and write all the values. So P union Q equal to Mn union of Mij. So both the one join and write means N, M, I, J. M come to 2 times. So you write in 1 times. Okay. So only P union Q equal to N, M, I, J. Next, intersection of two sets. Intersection means that is common value only you write it. Union means you join and write all the values of two sets. But here intersection means the two sets are which one is a common value, that values only, elements only you write it. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection and read as A intersection B. That is intersection only this like. In a simple A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay. Intersection of two sets can be represented by a Venn diagram. How to draw the Venn diagram? But two sets means A, B. That is, intersection means both the one. Which one is a common place? The center only. That place is only you shadow. If A equal to 1, 2, 6, B equal to 2, 3, 4, then A intersection B. Intersection means what? Say common value. So here both the one, which one is a common value? 2 only. So A intersection B equal to 2 because 2 is the common elements of the sets A and B. Example 1.12. Let A equal to X such that X is an even natural number and 1 less than X less than or equal to 12. And B equal to X such that X is a multiple of 3, X belongs to N. And X less than or equal to 12. B two sets, find A intersection B. So here A intersection B asking, but here A set is not give to directly, indirectly give. Okay, so you only find out what is the A elements, what is the B elements. Here A, X is such that X is an even natural number. So even number means only 2, 4, 6, 8, that like only. So even natural number, but 1 less than X less than or equal to 12. Up to 12 only you given. So you write the up to 12. What is the even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is only A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And B equal to, here what given? X such that X is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, but here what is given? X less than or equal to 12. 12 before what is onwards, what is the 3 table? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now you compare this 2 also, which one is a common values? Okay, here also 6, here also 6, here 8 but here not have, here 9 but here not have, but 10 here not have, but 12. So 6 and 12 only common. So A intersection B equal to 6, 12. Next example 1.13. If A equal to 2, 3 and C equal to empty set. That is set bracket inside no values. So empty set. Find A intersection C. So both the one no common values. So you write it, there is no common elements and hence A intersection C is equal to empty set. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets means already you study. Difference means subtraction. Okay, same here also. Let A and B two sets. The difference of set A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. It is denoted by A minus B or A slash A, this like slash B. And read as A difference B. The slash only say that difference. Okay, subtraction symbols. In a simple A minus B, X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. B minus A, Y such that Y belongs to B and Y not belongs to A. First A given means A only belongs to A. B is not belongs. Here B minus A means Y belongs to B but not belongs to A. Venn diagram of the set differences. Venn diagram, only two sets A and B only. Two difference means this like only you draw the circles. Okay, overlapping circles only. Okay, here A minus B. But this is a A set. You subtract B. So B circle also come to this place. So A set whole only, which place you come to B, that place only you remove and shaded. But another place only you shaded that region. Okay, that is only A minus B. Next, B minus A. You shadowed B. Which place come to A? You combine. That places you remove. So, B, this here A coming. So, this only you remove. Another places you put shadow. Next, A minus B. Here common values have means this like you using. But A minus B means that is common values not have means this separately. That is a disjoint sets means this like only coming. Okay. Example 1.14. A equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4 and B equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B, B minus A. So, first one A minus B. What is the A set? First you write it, subtraction symbol. Next, what is the B? 0, 1, 2, 4 B set. Now, subtract means here minus 3 but here not have. Here minus 2 but here not have. Here 1, here also 1. So, I struck out. Here 4, here also 4, I struck out. Okay. Now, what is the balance value of A set? First set what value for balance? That numbers only you write here answers. Miss here 0 have miss you didn't write. Didn't write. Okay, only first set what is the balance value that only here write it. So minus 3 minus 2. Next B minus A. So B minus A means first you write it B set minus A set. But here 0 here not have. Here 1 here have so you cancel. Here 2 but here not have 2 minus 2 only. So not same value so no. Here 4 so cancel. But here now what is the balance value of first set? 0 1 and 2. So here you write it 0 comma 2. But here also minus 3 minus 2 have but you don't write. Understand? That is one day. Okay students. Today you have learned first one complement of set, second one union of two sets, third one is intersection of two sets, then fourth one is symmetric of two sets. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.